we are going to attempt to get Putzig to catch and eat a critter. Ugh. He seems pretty tired, so I don't know if he'll go for it. See if Tom can get one out of the bag. It's a small cricket. Is it out? Where'd it go? Okay, so it's there. And Putzig sees it, I think. I don't know, maybe he smells it. Where'd it go? It's in the corner. Oh. He knows something's up. Woke him up real fast.
Went under the liner.
Oh no, really? We need to get it out of there. Okay, hang on.